Speaking Our Language. Welcome once again to Speaking Our Language. And in this programme we'll be finding out how to say that you like or don't like something. And we'll also be talking about hobbies and sports. Today I'm back in Gaelic in the Isle of Skye in Portree, King's Harbour, for the annual Highland Games this afternoon. But before that, I'll be paying a visit to Dunvegan Castle on the west coast of the island. Often when you meet people, you have to express an opinion about something. So, first of all, if you want to say that you like something, you say is talum, followed by whatever it is you're talking about. Is talum in Chelan Skiahanoch. I like the Isle of Skye.
Is talum Humanawi.
Is talum Coronation Street.
Coronation Street? Oh, yeah. Stalum take the high road out of top of the pubs.
Is Tullum take the high road?
Is Stalum Scotsford?
Stalum Scotsford, Kucha. Agus Taggart. Taggart? Stalum Taggart, Kucha.
Is talum. I like. Is talum.
While the boys were discussing their favourite programmes just now, two of them used the word cúteach, also or as well. Listen out for cúteach in this next piece, as well as the phrase is talum.
Is talum Humanawi.
Is talum Coronation Street.
Coronation Street? Oh, yeah. Stalum take the high road out of top of the pubs.
Is Tullum take the high road?
Is Stalum Scotsford?
Stalum Scotsford, Kucha. Agus Taggart. Taggart? Stalum Taggart, Kucha.
This is the village of Dunvegan behind me, and the castle is just up the road. Fishing is a popular sport, but there are plenty of others to choose from.
Is talum Snav.
Snav. Swimming. Snav.
Talum Ioscoch.
Iescoch. Fishing. Iescoch. Estalum Cockrock. Cockrock. Cooking. Cockrock.
Estalum Drivig.
Drivig. Driving. Drivig.
Is talum drivig. I like driving.
Is talum Snav.
Talum Ioscoch.
Estalum Cockrock.
Estalum Drivig.
There are plenty of things we don't like doing, and to say I don't like something, you say cha talón, cha talón.
Cha talam iascoch.
Wil je verkeerde juska?
Ha tapali. Catch a go shave a foot off. Perch.
Ian, juska?
I believe.
Alba, give me that Seamus. Believe on.
Show. Well, ga tell him cocklack.
Ga tell him snob.
Listen to those scenes again and watch out for cha talón.
Cha talam iascoch.
Wil je verkeerde juska?
Ha tapali. Catch a go shave a foot off. Perch.
Ian, juska?
I believe.
Alba, give me that Seamus. Believe on.
Show. Well, ga tell him cocklack.
Ga tell him snob.
Dunvegan Castle, Castell Dunvegan, has been the seat of the Clan MacLeod for over 750 years. The oldest part of the castle dates back to the third chief, Malcolm, around 1350. There are countless artefacts within these walls, including these pipes, which belong to the last of the Maccrimmons. For centuries, the Maccrimmons of Boreg were pipers to the chiefs of MacLeod. One famous heroine associated with Skye is Flora MacDonald, who helped Bonnie Prince Charlie to escape. It's fascinating to see some of Flora's belongings, as well as a lock of the unfortunate prince's hair. This is the castle dungeon where they used to keep prisoners, and I don't much fancy the thought of being stuck in there. This piece of silk dates back to sometime between the 4th and 7th century and is the source of the legendary story about Dunvegan Castle. It's called, in Gaelic, Bratoch Shi. Ian, the 4th chief of the Clan MacLeod, fell in love and married a fairy. They lived together for 20 years before she had to return to fairyland. Their final parting was at this bridge, and her gift to him was a banner now known as the fairy flag. She asked him to guard it because it had the power, when unfurled, to save the MacLeod clan from destruction 3 times. Legend says that the flag has, in the past, saved the MacLeods. Well, I'm just about to leave Dunvegan and head for Portree. But before then, let's catch up with the MacLeods in our drama Eggintai. And look out for the question, Antalive. Do you like? Antalive.
Antalive chop suey!
Go. Daddy! Daddy!
En talaf kok.
Stel.
Een tolle lager.
And Talev. Do you like? And Talev? Estal. Estal. Yes. Yes, I do like. Estal.
And Talev, do you like? And the answer given was is tal, yes. Watch out also for the word used at the end, ichir, at all, ichir. Chatalam Glasgow ichir. I don't like Glasgow at all.
Talaf chop suey.
Stel. Daddy. Daddy.
En talaf kok.
Stel.
Een tolle lager.
Mami. Gatal. Gatal een Glasgow. Gatal een Glasgow ichir.
How interested are you in sport? Balcosha, football, Balcosha. Hello, Kimmer Hashif.
Akama.
And Talaf Balcosha.
Stal.
And Talaf Balcosha.
Estel.
Istal. But what about other sports?
En dan een paalkostje.
Oh, stel.
Wist je verkeerd die koffie?
Ha, tapelef. Koffie toe.
Sugar?
Ga, me zei tolle.
Stel hem sugar, goed je.
Golf clubs for sale. Een half golf.
Stal.
Talev, Iman.
Stil.
In Talev, Iman, do you like shinty? Stal? Yes. To say no, you say chatal. Chatal. How many people are saying no in the following situations? Watch out for chatal.
Talev, Iman.
Stil.
En dan een paalkostje.
Oh, stil.
Wist je verkeerd die koffie?
Ha, tapelef. Koffie toe.
Sugar?
Ga, me zei tolle.
Stelm siúca cuiteach.
An talamh rugby.
Tatal.
An talamh balba kosher.
Tatal. De le biming. Tatal. Dee.
Hamekiri pinge.
Cleaver.
How many did you make it? I counted 3. Listen to those again.
An talamh rugby.
Tatal.
An talamh balba kosher.
Tatal. De le biming.
Tatal.
Dee.
Hamekiri pinge.
Cleaver.
Hello.
Hello.
Then I'll have push 3.
Stel.
Gamalishgal, Kwasa Harshiv, and Postri, and Pelav Postri. Stel. Leva, Tapelav.
Hello, catchable shiva fiddle.
Postri.
An talamh postri.
Stel.
Cleaver, tapalav.
Gomalishka, yn talaf push 3.
Hatel.
Catchable shiva furo.
An y glasgo.
Yn talaf glasgw.
Stel.
Glefa. Tapalaf. Yn talaf furwch awn yn Glasgow. Do you like living in Glasgow? Is talaw furwch awn yn Glasgow? I like living in Glasgow. It's a pity Illy doesn't feel the same way yet.
Tom tomato.
Had Tullum waffles.
Had Tullum cockroach.
Hatalum Glasgow. Hatalum Radstad Pollock.
Hello? Tracy, hi. Oh, Hagama. Oh, Stellum Glasgow. Stellum Radstad Pollock. Nepal Zakam. Well...
Nepal Zakam, my pals. I'll give you a word for pals another time. Listen again.
Hello? Tracy, hi. Oh, Hagama. Oh, Stellum Glasgow. Stellum Radstad Pollock. Nepal Zakam.
Well...
Oh, hello. Ellie!
Oh, hi Natalie. Hi Anna. Until of 10-pin bowling.
Stone.
Cheery.
Cheery. Well, I'm afraid it's packing up time. In our next programme, we'll be teaching you how to say whether or not you have any children and how many you have. Until then, from a very windy Portree, it's goodbye. Mar sin live in Rasta.
In this programme, we introduced you to Istalom. Istalom. Chatalom. Chatalom. Antalive. Antalive. Istal. Istal. Chatal. Chatal. Ijer. Ijer.
Fáte, good programme is Sheikh. Welcome to programme 7. Today I'm in Harris, na Herrig, which lies just to the south of Lewis in the Outer Hebrides. This week we're going to be looking at how to say whether or not you have children, and if you have, how many. Later on we'll also be taking a look around some other parts of Harris, in particular a beach at Luscantire. First of all though, if you want to ask someone whether they have children, you say a vil clown akif. A vil clown akif.
Hallo, wat clown akif? Ja? Oh, wat dat? Eskil ma, wat clown akif?
Ja. Hopelijk.
Kom maar eens, wat clown akif?
Daniel.
Eskil ma, wat clown akif? Daniel.
A vil clown agaf. Do you have any children? A vil clown agaf.
Avel clown akiv. Have you got any children? And the answer's ha, yes, ha, and Chanel, no. Chanel. Listen again.
Yes, good man. Look, clown.
Ha. Popular.
Yes, good man. Look, clown.
Chanel.
As well as children, the word clown can mean descendants, a clan, as in Clown Doy, MacDonald, or Clown Chaimble, Campbell.
Avel clown akiv. Do you have any children? Avel clown akiv. And if the answer is yes, you say ha clown akim. I do have children. Ha clown akim.
Dyn hynna mi hirif.
Morag ni clót.
Nich clót. Ever clown agaf?
Ha clown acum.
Isteach. Is cos a háise?
A dyn ni ti'n mach am ei ffynach am y glasgo.
Lefa.
Fy'r clown agaf.
Ha clown agam.
Fy'r clown agaf?
Ha, a mach agam.
Ha clown agam. I've got children. Ha clown agam. Ha mach agam. I've got a son. Ha mach agam.
Tapelet. Gleva. Mach. Son. Ha mach agam. I've got a son. And the word for daughter is nien.